Hey guys, I hope you're doing well, and I wanted to give you a daily dose of encouragement and a reminder. As all the kids have started back to school now, I got to thinking about sometimes when there's a new kid on the block, a new kid in the school, or you've got grandchildren or you've got children, they're going to school. Remind them to be kind. Remind them to look at that one child, if it's a friend, a new friend that might be sad or look sad, go up to that child, say, "Are you okay?" And make sure that they make new friends. I notice even in life, even as we've gotten older, when we were in school, there were always the little cliques, quote unquote, that this group would be together, this group would be together, this group would be together. Encourage your child, your grandchild, your grandniece, your nephew, whatever. Encourage them to make different friends and make lots of friends, good friends. If it's that bully in the school that they're scared of, or if it's someone that has problems with discipline, just talk to them about it, how they need to help them, and maybe if they can help them in some way. There's something behind a bully, even in adulthood. There's bullies no matter how old. Is when I was in school with my twin, we met with a lot of bullies in our school. I've always kind to them. But there were bullies. They would bully other kids. They would bully either my sister and I. It was just a time that I had to figure it out myself. I didn't really want to say anything to my mom and dad about it because I didn't want them to go to the school. And I wanted to figure this thing out for myself. But I guess I was really lucky to have a twin that we could figure it out together. And 9 times out of 10, we made the right decision. So if you have a kid that's starting to school, or you've got some grandchild or someone that has, or some maybe a neighbor that might come to you and say, I've got this, there's this kid that's really sad, or there's this kid that bullies everyone. Just, they'll probably figure it out themselves, but encourage them to be kind. I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, by the way, if you're a kind person growing up, a kind child, if you're kind, you will grow up kind. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow, I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I hope so, because I am sending you a big hug and hope you have a wonderful week.